Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Samsung 7.1 channel soundbar with acoustic beam and wireless rear kit. You may check the link below to get this today at the best price available. If you're looking to elevate your home theater experience, this soundbar might just be the perfect solution. Right out of the box, the HW-Q67CT impresses with its sleek design that seamlessly fits into any entertainment setup. The build quality feels premium, and the setup process is incredibly straightforward. Within minutes, I had it connected to my TV and ready to go. One of the standout features of this soundbar is the 7.1 channel surround sound capability. With the integrated acoustic beam technology, you get an immersive audio experience that truly envelopes you in the action. Whether you're watching movies, playing video games, or streaming music, the clarity and depth of sound are exceptional. The dialogue is crisp and clear, while the bass is powerful without overpowering the mids and highs. The wireless rear kit is a game changer. Setting up the rear speakers was a breeze, allowing me to experience genuine surround sound without the hassle of running cables across the room. This feature not only enhances the audio experience but also adds to the aesthetic of your living space, keeping it tidy and clutter-free. Additionally, the HW-Q67CT offers multiple connectivity options, including HDMI ARC, optical, and Bluetooth, making it easy to connect to various devices. I particularly love the Bluetooth functionality, as it allows me to stream music directly from my phone or tablet without any interruptions. The sound quality remains impressive even when streaming wirelessly. For gamers, this soundbar really shines as well. The audio precision and spatial awareness elevate your gaming sessions, allowing you to hear subtle sound cues that can give you a competitive edge. Another highlight is the SmartThings app, which allows you to control the soundbar settings right from your smartphone. This feature gives you flexibility and control over your audio experience, letting you customize settings to your liking. In conclusion, the Samsung HW-Q67CT 7.1 channel soundbar with acoustic beam and wireless rear kit is a fantastic addition to any home entertainment system. With its immersive sound quality, easy setup, and stylish design, it's perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or simply enjoying your favorite music. If you're looking to take your audio experience to the next level, I highly recommend giving this soundbar a try. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.